Hello students, welcome back to the English class. Today I am going to summarize you chapter 5, The Happy Prince from your Moments book. This story is about a prince. When the prince was alive, he was very happy. After his death, his tall statue was erected on a pedestal. And from there he could see the entire city. There he saw the miseries of the people. And he saw the poor people, the homeless, and their hunger and starvation. So he was very sad to see the ugliness and miseries of his city. So in this chapter we will study the story of this prince. Once there was a prince, and he was very happy when he was alive. After his death, his big statue was erected on a tall column in the middle of the city. He was glided all over, and he had two bright sapphires for eyes, and a large ruby glowed on his sword hilt. One day, a little swallow bird was flying through a city. He saw the statue and he came down and sat on the feet of the statue. The swallow decided to stay night there at the feet of that statue of the prince. But as he was going to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. The swallow was amazed. There was no cloud, yet it rained. The second drop of water made the swallow decide to fly off. But just then, the third drop of water fell on him. And the swallow looked at the statue. The bird realized that the statue was weeping. The statue spoke to the bird. It said that when it was alive, it had not known what tears were. And the courtiers called him the Happy Prince. Now he sat so high that he can see the ugliness and the miseries of his city. And that sight made him sad. The statue of the Happy Prince told the swallow that he saw a woman far away. And that woman was a seamstress. And she was embroidering flowers on a satin gown of the queen's maid of honor. And the maid was to wear it to the next court ball. And in the bed, her son was lying ill. He was suffering from fever. The Happy Prince asked the swallow to pick out one ruby from his sword hilt and gave it to that lady. First, the swallow told that his friends had gone to Egypt and he was waited to be there. The Happy Prince requested the swallow to stay one night. The swallow agreed, and he picked out a ruby from his sword hilt and flew away towards the woman's house. The bird put the ruby near the woman's thimble, and he also fanned the boy's forehead. By that the boy felt better and felt asleep. The swallow flew back to the happy prince, and he felt warmer, though it was cold. The happy prince told the swallow that it was because he had done a good act. The swallow wanted to fly back to Egypt, but the prince again requested the swallow to stay one more night. The happy prince told the swallow that he saw a playwright in the little dark room, and he was trying to write a play for the director of the theatre. But he was too cold to write, and he was hungry also. The happy prince asked the swallow to pluck out one sapphire from his eye and give it to that playwright. The swallow flew away with the sapphire and gave it to the playwright. And the swallow returns back to the happy prince. The playwright saw the sapphire. He was very happy, and now he hoped to finish his play. That's all for today, children. The remaining part of the chapter we will study in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.